In the upper room, the apostles gathered with their fears and doubts and confusion, wondering what would happen next. We too gather as fragile communities with our own fears and doubts and confusion. Community will always be a messy affair, for anything human is messy. But within the mess, the risen Jesus appears and says, "Peace." Our communities are not equivalent to the kingdom. There will always be weeds and wheat in church. Through this pain, God destroys our self-sufficiency so that we remain a people thirsting for the kingdom. Let me labor beside you, or let me simply get out of the way, that your heavenly ambition for my life be fulfilled at the God-ordained time. I pray this in your sweet name.